went to Birubi Beach and just walked up to the booth to purchase tickets. Got the family ticket for $142, which was a steal. Lady at the booth was friendly and helpful. Up at the dunes, instruction was simple and easy to understand. Had a lot of fun sliding multiple times down the dunes. Getting up there is another story, but we managed. It was a good cardio exercise. They had multiple trucks going up and down the dunes, so it was never a long wait once you're done and had enough. Trucks were clean and driver drove safely. Thanks for a great day. Shaq, our instructor, and Sarah at the counter were really helpful. We had bad weather for the day we booked, but they were able to accommodate us for the next day without a hassle. The sandboarding was a lot of fun. A fab relaxed tour. Winter is a great time to go as the temperature of the sand is perfect. The scenery is beautiful and is a must-see. The Jeep ride is so fun and just surreal riding up and down the dunes. The driver we had was especially friendly and gave us tips on what to see and do. I highly recommend this trip. Booking process was simple. Reaching there was easy. The 4WD tour and sandboarding experience was one of a kind. Special shout out to Shaq for guidance and sharing his tale. Great activity to book if you're looking for an adventure, quick easy drive, and then you are free to enjoy the sand dunes. What stood out to us even more is the service. You get looked after from start to finish and the staff go above and beyond to accommodate you. A special shout out to John in particular, what a credit to you. He went above and beyond throughout our whole tour and made it an experience to remember, and that was before we even got to the activity. His service is one I'll remember for the rest of my life. Definitely go with the green company over the red. Excellent, lots of fun despite the rain. Staff were friendly and welcoming. Would recommend sunglasses even if it's not sunny to keep the sand out of your eyes. This is the second time we have done this tour and it was excellent again. We took my son and his mates. Great location and friendly tour staff. Highly recommend. Great experience for my 3 grandchildren ages 8, 11 and 14. The dunes were lots of fun and all of the staff were friendly and helpful. Our driver John was very knowledgeable about the area and gave some great tips of where to catch sight of the migrating whales. Definitely recommend to tire the kids out for a couple of hours. This was a fun adventure. If you are in the area, it is certainly worth doing. The 4WD drive through the beautiful dunes ended in a fun activity sliding down the huge dune. We went with a 6yo. We stayed for 1.5 hours. Walking up the dunes is hard work, but worth it to slide down, and the wind and sun are pretty brutal. 4WD tours were friendly and accommodating and made sure we knew what to expect.